shoot it because it's too little.
Let me see.
I'll shoot it at my finger.
Hey, Rush, go get that other present for you from me and Daddy Moon.
Has this thing got a safety on it or something?
Oh, yeah. What is in here?
I don't know, but that's from me and Daddy Moon.
I want to open it. And we can open it and I can play with it. It's probably a toy.
It might be socks.
Probably not. Probably not. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. There's a cool hot one. Whoa! Good. I got your cool hot one.
All right.
Oh, say thank you, Daddy Moon.
Thank you, Daddy. Look, this is what he called. This was what he called. This all these what he called. Oh, this one.
Yeah. It was good ones, ain't it?
Yeah.
Come give me a hug.
Look.
Whoa!
Come here, give me a hug. You're welcome.
Daddy, my truck. Cozy.
You lost
I want my bed.
Hey, say thank you, Uncle Paul.
Thank you, Uncle
Here,
Paul.
look at the camera and say it.
Thank you, Paul, for Uncle Paul. Daddy,
Merry Christmas, Uncle Paul.
Merry Christmas, Uncle Paul.
Say it, Keith.
Merry Christmas, Uncle Paul.
Merry Christmas, Uncle Paul. We love you.
Open it.
And you loved his gift.
It's not. It's a.
Tell Uncle Paul I'm fixing to go skiing. Yeah, I am too. I'm going skiing. Let's go put that thing in the bathtub, and I'm going to ski behind it.
I didn't say anything about bathtub. Who want to do that now? It's hot.
My truck is in the dog. My truck is in the dog. I want to get this Hot Wheel. Ah. Oh my goodness,
I
this
wonder if
Hot
they want to make like a 1994 BMW.
Yeah.
The biggest car ever.
Let me see.
Is this a 2002?
That hurt.
Or no? 1186. 1186.